Introduction to responsive images.
Responsive images make sure your website looks good on all devices, from large desktop monitors to small smartphone screens. By using the right HTML and CSS techniques, you can ensure images automatically resize and display correctly, enhancing user experience and improving page performance. Let's explore the basics of making images fit smoothly across every screen size.
Understanding the HTML less than img greater than tag.
The HTML image tag is the foundation for displaying images on websites. To make images responsive, it's important to always set the image's width to 100% in your CSS. This makes the image scale to fit its container, adapting smoothly whether on a wide desktop or a narrow mobile screen.
Using the srcset and sizes attributes.
The srcset attributes and sizes let you provide multiple versions of your image. Modern browsers pick the best one based on device resolution and screen width. For example, you can include both high-resolution and standard images. This ensures your images always look sharp without slowing down your website on smaller devices.
CSS tips for responsive images.
Adding max width 100% height auto to your image's CSS ensures it never stretches beyond its container and maintains the right proportion. This approach automatically adjusts image size on desktops, tablets, and phones, creating a seamless viewing experience and a more professional-looking site.
Taking accessibility into account.
Alt text is essential for responsive images. Always use the alt attribute to describe your image so everyone, including users with screen readers or slow connections, gets the full experience. Clear, concise descriptions also help with search engine optimization and make your website more inclusive.
Conclusion: beautiful images everywhere.
Using a combination of HTML attributes and smart CSS rules, you can make your images responsive and beautiful on any device. This ensures all visitors see crisp, properly sized pictures no matter how they access your site. Responsive images create a better user experience and help your site stand out online.